Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam minute course. In that lecture we're gonna focus on the C-axis drilling operations. So this is my parameter. This is it's a tool type C-axis drilling operation. This is my tool, and this is my linking parameters. All the parameters is selected as an incremental approach because of my circle and point on some Z position. After that we can also use the rotary axis, rotary diameter SS 70 mm. Okay, if you would like to check your toolpath by using the backlog simulation, you can see that there is some drilling process step by step. So if you would like to change that, you need to click on the geometry options, and after that you can change the point like this. For example, I can click on the point 5, and then I'm gonna push that point operation after the 6, and then we can also click that here. So I'm gonna click here 1 and 2 and 3, and we can keep going like this. Okay, so we can recalculate it. We're gonna start from here, here and here. As you can see that we can easily be able to change our process. We can also change that approach actually like this. This is point 1, this is arc 1, arc 2 and arc 3. We can also use that's part. I can drag that process here, arc 1 and point 1. We can recalculate it. Oops, sorry. And we can also use the backlog simulation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I can focus on here, arc 1, arc 2. This is the arc 1 and arc 2, and then arc 3, and maybe we should drag that here, and then this one and this one. And actually we can also select that one and that one here, and then we can recalculate it and the simulation again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, you can easily change your drilling cycling process by using that stuff here.